unique. Yes, so on my way to church, my people, you know, when you are going to church or you are going to events, if you know how to tie your gele by yourself, your makeup by yourself, your simple operation, do it yourself, my people. You don't have any problem. Oh, focus your eye. Oh, see the way I'm going to tie this super unique style, and I like different. Oh, I don't like all those regular styles. I always come up with. I like my whole thing different. Yes, my people. Yes, you see the way this length I have here is 80. My son is just telling me that I should be fast. I say this pikin never understand. So now see the way I put my hand. This material is ashoke and the length is 80, and you start it from the top. You see the way I put my hand. You can use any material. So far me the material long, the length like lowest 80. Yes, you see the way it's just very easy. 3 minutes you are done. This video you can watch it and practice. Practice is the key. You watch, you practice. Once you concentrate your eye and see the way I achieve it, guys, that is just it. You see, by the time, if you have more longer lengths, you can achieve more of this weaving. More of the weaving. So by the time you get to the end, you see that place where we start, then you now bring it out from the other side. That's it. That is it, my people. In case today is the first time you come across my video, my name is Deck Beauty. I base here in United Kingdom, London. Book me for your event. I'm available to travel all over the world, my people. Yes, so we are into many in one beauty. Yes, we do makeup, we do gele. We do traditional bridal hair, Bini Edo bride. The Igbo one, any tribe. Traditional bead hair, we do one. My people, we do bridal hair as well. We sell makeup product, we sell perfume. We do photo shoot as well. Any all type of photo shoot here in my Please, studio. The name is on the description box. That is where I do more explanation. I have 2 YouTube channels. That is where I do more of my explanation, my people, of any head wrap and makeup. Yes, so in case you are still watching me from Facebook, I have 2 Facebook as well. One is Deck Beauty, the other one is Deck Beauty Life. The Deck Beauty Life is where I do more of my explanation, the same as YouTube, Deck Beauty and Deck Beauty Life. Yes, my people, if you reach my YouTube channel, my people, you will see different style there. Operation do it yourself. Operation don't be left out that I can't do it. Come to my live stream. I do more chronic explanation. But in case you are in a rush, don't come. Stick to my upload video. Yes, this is the YouTube video, and I still upload it on Deck Beauty. But for more of explanation, come to my live stream on Deck Beauty Live. I am ready. Yes, so my son was telling me, Mommy, fast. He's tired of the recording all these children. That is the reason I just said him that, please, just off the camera, let me go inside and do more of video and picture. My people, in case you want to do take picture, nobody is there to take a picture, or your children, nobody are tired of taking a lot of picture. You know me, if I take one picture, it's not sufficient for me. I will tell my son, continue. So another pattern I use is you just hang your phone. You will see the video will so enter the way I take my picture. So once you hang your phone, you will just move around slowly. This one where they do so, my son still did there. He said he don't tire. He say he don't tire. So you will see the one where I take all my picture. The way I take many of my picture where they post for my Instagram, Facebook, many of my picture. So this is how I take my picture. See my people. You see now you see that place for you see this short video. From there, now there for the screenshot, I'll come screenshot the part where I like. Then I'll come crop on. You see, like this. You just, now video they do so, but inside the video, I'll come screenshot bring out my picture, anyone I like. Because all these children, even if my husband want to take me picture, then I don't tire. Okay, thank you everyone. See you on my next video. Book me for your event. My number there. Yes, so bye.
Dead baby. What's up?
Don't you the crafty producer?
Woo, sha. Everyone need a space to glow. Yeah, and it's so